So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the half motif for the solid granny. We've got a half motif which varies slightly in a couple of ways. One is that it's worked flat rather than round, so at the end of each row you're turning the work, and the other difference is in the number of stitches along each side. There's more stitches along the side than on the square. There's also the starting chain is a bit longer because I found that chain 4 made the edge too tight and short and made the edge of the blanket pucker up, so that's why you need to just pay attention. This is slightly different to the square. I'm going to start off with a slip knot loop on your hook, and chain 5. Join with a slip stitch in the first chain, and then chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, and then you're going to 4 double crochet into the ring, so you should now have 5 including your chain 3, and then make the first corner, which is chain 2, or really the only chain 2 space corner, and then 5 double crochet into the ring. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to chain 3, starting the next row, and then turn the work. And in this very first stitch, not skipping any stitches at all, you're just going to go, remember that you're working the other way, so you might need to tilt it forward slightly to see exactly where you're going. You're going to do 2 double crochets into there, and then you're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Corner is the same as the square solid granny, so you're just going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochet to make your corner, and then 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last part of this row is you're going to put 3 double crochets into the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 3 of the previous round. So this is always a bit tricky because this chain is always a bit tight. It's best not to go straight into that space because it leaves a really big hole, which is quite ugly. So it's definitely worth the fiddle of trying to get it in this. I haven't got enough yarn. Chain properly. Once you've got 1 in there, it's a lot easier. 1, 2, 3. That's round 2. You can really see it looking definitely a bit more triangular now. And then next row 3, row 3, so chain 3, turn your work, and again 2 double crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 in each of the remaining stitches. And again another corner in the same way as before, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in each of the remaining double crochet stitches. And then same again in this last stitch, which is a chain 3, beginning chain 3 from the previous row. You're going to do 3 double crochets into that last stitch. 1, 2, 3. And again, you can do a sewn finish if you like, or as I said, you don't really see these corners all that much on this project, so you can just cut the yarn and do a normal pulling the yarn through the loop. There you are, you've got your half motif.